Hi, a common mistake with the Texas Instrument graphic calculator, it was just a poor design by the IT engineers, is this issue. Here I have an expression 2ab plus 4a, and if I was asked to factorize, we can see the common factors are 2, and the other common factor is the letter A, or pronumeral A. So it should go 2a brackets b plus 2. And this is what we end up getting. It doesn't do that. And that's because, as I said, the engineers didn't quite tell the calculator that when it sees two pronumerals together, to recognize them as two separate pronumerals. It doesn't. It assumes that that's an actual fact, ab, not A times B. So if I was to redo that, you saw the mess. Let's go here, press enter, and now I go back and I do what I should have done in the first place, and that is I have to put in the times there. So you are expected to go 2 times A times B. Don't do that, you won't get this answer here. So now I have been asked a question by a student when he was using the solve button. So here, let's do the solve button menu 3 1, and he had the expression 2x brackets x minus 2 equals, jumping out. So we're solving for this, which is actually in fact the null factor law, and you'll be looking at that soon. And don't forget we're solving for the pronumeral x. So here we have 2 times x times the bracket expression x minus 2, and press enter, and here we get this invalid implied multiplier. And that's what it's basically saying. It doesn't recognize it with this, but it does recognize that it's not too sure. Do I put a multiplication in there? The answer is yes. So we need to basically go back, and we must put a multiplication between the pronumeral and a bracket, and press enter, and the problem goes away. So the hint is never put two pronumerals next to each other without the multiplication. So if it's 2ab, it's 2a times b. And never put a pronumeral next to a bracket. Again, it will, as I say, it's a very stupid calculator when it comes to that aspect. So hopefully that will help and solve your problems in the future.